Today I will help you to describe about installation of Anaconda in Ubuntu. First you have to download the anaconda.sh file from the Anaconda website. Now type Anaconda for Ubuntu and select this option. Now select Anaconda installer for Linux. Now you have to select the Ubuntu option. Then you have to select this file. Actually, I have already downloaded that file, so I am pausing it and moving to the folder where I have put my file. So here you have to open a terminal, Ubuntu terminal in that folder to install the Anaconda. So first of all, I will check the data integrity by typing the script SHA256 some 256 some Anaconda and press enter. Now it is showing that the file is present there. Now I am starting installation. Bash file name. Press enter. Press enter again. Now I have to read all the license and start pressing more and more. Now accept the license by typing yes. So here you have to select the path of installation. So I am keeping the same. Now the installation has started. So it may take some time based on your configuration of your device. So now installation has started. So now the following files are installed in the Ubuntu environment, and now it's about to completing the installation. So you have to type here to initiate Anaconda. Now your installation has completed, and now you have to exit and start your terminal again. So now I'm opening the Ubuntu terminal again, and it is showing a base name here which shows that Conda has you are working in a Conda environment. So here is your installation completed.